Me, Material Girl 338, Diane. This is a quick, easy meal that I thought I would film and show you guys when you want to make something that's quick and nutritious and delicious. I cut up cauliflower, washed it, rinsed it really good, and then I put water into the pot, and I cover it, and I add tomato sauce. I made about a half a can of regular tomato sauce. Okay, salt and pepper. Bring it to a boil, and let the cauliflower get really soft, like it's like mushy. After it becomes soft, what you do is fry about 7 or 8 cloves of garlic in olive oil in a separate pan, and then put it over the cauliflower. Then you in a separate pot, boil water, which I shut off. Boil water, salted water, and you add a little bit of pasta to the water, and you serve this with cheese, with Pecorino Romano cheese. It's filling, it's good, and it's delicious. And if you have children that hate vegetables, this is like, we never complained when we were kids, because my mother used to make cauliflower macaroni, broccoli macaroni. You could do the same thing with broccoli and macaroni. So, I mean, this is a quick and easy recipe, and it definitely fills you up. Okay, and I'll show you the finished video. Thank you. The second part of the cauliflower and macaroni, I cooked the cauliflower, like I told you in the first video. I washed it, and then I put water in it, covered up the cauliflower in the water, and until it became, you know, nice and soft. And then I added, well, before it became soft, I added a half a can of tomato sauce to it, just to give it some color, salt and pepper, and I added some fresh parsley. And then at the end, before you serve it, what you do is you fry up garlic and oil in about 7 or 8 cloves of garlic in a separate pan, and then you put the garlic and oil into the soup, into the cauliflower. And then in a separate pan, you make your pasta. Doesn't matter what you use. And then you serve it. You use, I use Lucadeli cheese. You can use Pecorino Romano. And it is delicious. I'm telling you, your kids will love it. Especially if they don't like vegetables. Because the cauliflower has no bad flavor. It has a good flavor to it. So you guys are going to enjoy it. And your kids are going to be healthy. Okay, thank you. Bye.